Advantages of creating natural beauty and cosmetics products. Have you ever stopped to think about the immense opportunities that the natural cosmetics market can offer? Today, we live in a unique time where people are increasingly concerned about what they put on their skin, looking for alternatives that are both effective and environmentally friendly. The creation of natural beauty and cosmetics products is on the rise, and for good reason. In this video, we will explore the biggest advantages of this promising market and how you can take advantage of this opportunity to turn your passion for personal care into a successful business. 1. Growing consumer trend. The demand for natural cosmetics is growing rapidly. According to research, more than 70% of consumers prefer beauty products that are free of synthetic ingredients, artificial fragrances, and harsh chemicals. People are increasingly looking for alternatives that respect the health of their skin and the environment. The public is becoming more aware of the impact that conventional beauty products can have on their health in the long term. Natural ingredients such as essential oils, plant extracts, and organic products are highly valued for their purity and the benefits they offer to the skin, hair, and body. This change in behavior is not just a passing trend, but a growing movement towards a healthier and more sustainable lifestyle. If you are thinking about entering the cosmetics market, now is the ideal time to create products that meet this growing demand for natural and safe ingredients. 2. Differentiation and authenticity in the market. With the cosmetics market increasingly saturated, it is essential to stand out. Natural products offer a unique opportunity for differentiation. They attract consumers who seek authenticity, quality, and a more genuine connection with what they apply to their body. By creating natural cosmetics, you can build an authentic brand that prioritizes transparency and ethics, something that has great appeal to today's consumer. Additionally, by creating innovative and personalized formulas, you can build a loyal audience that values quality, exclusivity, and attention to detail. Another important point is that natural cosmetics have the power to generate strong word of mouth and customer loyalty, as these products are often effective and can generate visible results more quickly. With good planning and good marketing practices, your brand can grow consistently. 3. Sustainability and environmental awareness. In a world where environmental issues are increasingly relevant, offering natural beauty and cosmetic products is a way to contribute to the preservation of the planet. Organic and natural ingredients are mostly grown sustainably, without the use of pesticides or chemicals that harm the soil and ecosystems. In addition, consumers are increasingly demanding eco-friendly packaging and products that are not tested on animals. Creating natural cosmetics with a focus on sustainability can not only meet these needs, but also promote a positive image for your brand. By adopting production practices that respect the environment, you will be contributing to a more conscious market and, at the same time, adding value to your brand. This creates an emotional connection with your customers who feel part of a greater and more meaningful cause. 4. Profitability potential and international market. The global natural cosmetics market is booming and promises to grow even more in the coming years. The natural cosmetics market is estimated to be worth billions of dollars by 2025. This is an excellent opportunity for those who want to take advantage of this boom and create a profitable and scalable business. In addition, by creating natural products, you can reach specific market niches, such as people with sensitive skin, those allergic to chemicals or vegans, for example. Customizing products for these needs creates a unique appeal and increases the chance of success in the market. The international market is also a possibility. People are increasingly looking for natural cosmetics from different parts of the world, with unique characteristics and formulas. The internet allows you to sell your products on different platforms, expanding your business opportunities beyond national borders. 5. Potential for innovation and customization. The world of natural cosmetics is vast and full of possibilities for innovation. With the growing demand for specific products, such as anti-aging creams, natural moisturizers, sulfate-free shampoos, and essential oils, you can create customized formulas that meet the needs of your audience. Customization is one of the biggest advantages when it comes to natural cosmetics. You can develop products that cater to specific skin and hair types, using ingredients that can deliver exceptional results. For example, a moisturizer for dry skin with argan oil or a fortifying shampoo with bamboo extract. Innovation goes beyond formulas. Packaging, fragrances, and even the sensory experience of the product can be developed in a unique way. This flexibility allows you to explore market niches and create a product line that truly differentiates you. The more unique and personalized your offering is, the greater your potential to attract and retain customers. 6. Health and wellness benefits. When you create natural beauty and cosmetic products, you are not only offering something that beautifies, but also cares for your customers' health. Natural ingredients such as aloe vera, honey, vitamin E, and green tea are known for their healing and regenerative properties for the skin and hair. Consumers are increasingly looking for products that offer real health benefits. This means that when you develop natural cosmetics, you are not only offering something that is aesthetically pleasing, but also providing a true wellness experience. This results in products that people not only buy, but that they incorporate into their daily personal care routine. Conclusion: an opportunity to create and grow. Creating natural beauty and cosmetic products is more than just a trend. It is a real opportunity to enter a growing market with an increasingly demanding and conscious audience about their choices. With the increasing demand for products that are effective, safe, sustainable, and respectful of health and the environment, this is the perfect time to transform your idea into a thriving business. You can stand out in the market, innovate, offer something of value to your customers, and at the same time, contribute to a healthier and more sustainable world. If you are willing to enter this market, now is the time. The future of natural cosmetics is promising, and your brand could be the next big thing that will win hearts and skins out there. Now, how about starting to develop your own products and be part of this transformation movement? The market is waiting for you. Step by step to create a natural cosmetics business, management and profitability tips. Starting a business in the natural cosmetics sector is an excellent opportunity in the current scenario. With the growing interest in healthier and more sustainable beauty products, the demand for natural cosmetics is on the rise. However, as with any business venture, success depends on planning, research, dedication, and a good management strategy. Here is a detailed guide with a complete, step-by-step guide to starting your natural cosmetics business, with management tips and how to increase profitability with attractive offers. Step 1. Market research and niche definition. The first step to starting your natural cosmetics business is to conduct thorough market research. It is essential to understand consumer trends and the behavior of your target audience, as well as analyze your competition and identify gaps that you can exploit. Tip: research what is trending. Products such as skincare, natural shampoos and conditioners, essential oils, anti-aging creams, and vegan cosmetics are on the rise. Keep an eye on the trends that are dominating the market. Identify your niche. Decide whether you want to focus on skincare, hair care, makeup, or body products. You can also choose a specific niche, such as vegan, cruelty-free, or sensitive skin products. A well-defined niche helps to attract a more specific and interested audience. Understand your audience. The natural cosmetics audience tends to be more conscious and demanding, so understand their preferences, such as the appreciation of organic ingredients, sustainable packaging, and the search for beauty solutions that care for their health and the environment. Step 2. Product development. Now that you understand the market and your target audience, it's time to start developing your products. This step involves not only formulating products, but also testing and validating their efficacy. Quality will be one of the biggest selling points for your business, so invest time and resources to ensure that your products are effective and safe. Tip: research for natural ingredients. The key ingredients you choose for your products should be high quality and offer real benefits for skin and hair health. Ingredients such as aloe vera, green tea, clay, essential oils such as lavender and tea tree, and shea butter are popular and effective options. Test your products. Before launching any product on the market, conduct small-scale testing. This will help you gauge consumer reaction and adjust your formulas if necessary. Make sure that your products are dermatologically tested, free of toxic substances, and cruelty-free, which adds value to your brand. Customization. Consider offering personalized options, such as creams tailored to specific skin types, oily, dry, combination, or shampoos adapted to different hair types, curly, straight, fine, thick. This can add value to your product and attract a more loyal audience. Step 3. Branding and positioning. Creating a strong brand is one of the pillars for the success of any business. In the natural cosmetics market, this is even more important, as consumers value brands that have authenticity, transparency, and values that go beyond profit. Tips: create a visual identity. The logo, colors, and typography should reflect the concept of your brand. If the focus is on a healthy and natural lifestyle, choose elements that convey freshness, purity, and simplicity. Transparency and story. Tell the story behind your brand. People like to know what is behind the products they buy, especially in the natural cosmetics market. Be transparent about the origin of the ingredients, the production process, and the environmental impact of your choices. Be consistent. Maintain consistency in communication and customer experience, from packaging design to customer service. The customer experience with your brand should always be positive, which creates a loyal consumer base. Step 4. Financial planning and pricing. Now that you have the product and the brand, it is time to plan your business financially. Financial planning is essential to ensure the profitability and sustainability of your business. Here, you need to define the price of the products, the production costs, and how to manage your finances. Tips: define production costs. Include the cost of ingredients, packaging, production, and transportation. Also take into account the cost of testing and research. All of this must be calculated accurately to ensure that your product is priced profitably. Pricing strategy. The price must be compatible with the quality of the product and the target audience. Natural cosmetic products generally have a higher production cost, so the price may be slightly higher, but this must be justified by the quality and benefits offered. Profit margin. Calculate the profit margin of each product, considering all the costs involved in the final price. Remember that in addition to production costs, you will need to invest in marketing, distribution, and other operational expenses. Step 5. Marketing strategy. With the products ready and the brand defined, it is time to promote your business and win your first customers. Digital marketing will be one of your main tools to attract and engage consumers. Tips: social media. Invest in social media such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest, which are perfect visual platforms to showcase your products. Post relevant content about natural skin and hair care, and share tips on how to use your products. Influencer partnerships. Look for influencers in the beauty and health niche who share the same values as your brand. Influencer partnerships can increase your business visibility and generate more sales. Educational content. Create educational content about the benefits of natural ingredients and how to use them. This can be done through blogs, videos, and tutorials. The goal is to educate consumers about the benefits of your products and how they can improve the health of their skin and hair. Offers and promotions. To attract customers at the beginning, create offers and promotions such as buy one and get the second 50% off, or free shipping for first purchases. Attractive offers encourage first purchases and can generate good word-of-mouth recommendations. Step 6. Inventory management and logistics. Efficient inventory management is essential to avoid problems with product shortages or excess merchandise. This also has a direct impact on the profitability of your business. Tips. Inventory control. Use inventory management. Tools that help monitor the number of units available and the need for replenishment. Keeping inventory organized prevents losses and ensures that products are always available to customers. Delivery logistics. Invest in partnerships with reliable carriers and have a clear shipping policy. Delivery time and shipping costs directly impact the customer experience, so try to ensure efficient service. Customer service offer fast, quality support to answer questions and solve problems quickly. Good customer service can build customer loyalty and generate positive reviews, which are essential for long-term success. Step 7. Monitoring and expansion. After launching your business, ongoing monitoring and adaptation are essential for growth. Constantly evaluate your results and look for ways to expand your operations. Tip. Customer feedback. Always ask your customers for feedback. This can be done through surveys or even through interactions on social media. Feedback is crucial to improving your products and services. Product diversification. As your business grows, consider diversifying your product line. For example, if you started with skincare, you can expand to natural makeup or hair care, expanding into new markets. Once you've conquered your local market, explore possibilities for selling internationally, especially with the help of e-commerce. Sustainable profitability. Starting a natural cosmetics business can be a highly profitable path, especially considering the growing demand for healthy and eco-friendly products. With good planning, efficient financial management, effective marketing strategies, and a focus on quality and sustainability, you can build a solid business with great potential for expansion. At the same time, by caring about environmental impact and consumer health, you will be helping to build a healthier and more sustainable future for everyone. So did you like all the tips and strategies for starting your natural cosmetics business? If you're ready to get your hands dirty and turn your passion into success, this is just the beginning. And to continue your journey of entrepreneurship and offering unique experiences to your customers, in the next video we'll explore a new universe, interior design, and personalized decoration. So subscribe to the channel, activate the bell so you don't miss any updates, and come check out the next content, full of practical tips and inspirations to transform decoration into a real differentiator in your business. See you there.